Spent a few days with my good friend Barb.
We camped here last night.
Part 57 of my cross-country ride on my Tiger. Had fun exploring Vancouver Island on our bikes.
We're at Jordan River, Vancouver Island, and this is a great little surf spot. Usually surf is good here spring, winter, fall, not so much summer. It's summer now, and so this is what we have, but it's still beautiful. You can come play on the little waves. Just get a wetsuit, need a wetsuit. And yeah, we have the river mouth, Jordan River river mouth, and the point where all the good surfers go, and all the baby surfers go here, and the intermediate go over there, usually. And you know, it's one of the rare good spots to surf on the island.
Laughing as she has hair issues in the wind as well. I have ridden past or through Jordan River a few times on this trip. This is the first time I've stopped. The actual river of Jordan River, where we are on the west coast of Vancouver Island, not far down the road in Shirley. I think the art here is from Foggy Mountain Forge, which I was lucky enough to visit when it was open. Super cool art and great food and coffee.
Just had coffee at Shirley. Delicious. Coffee. Barb had her coffee, can you tell? So Shirley Delicious behind us, which has awesome food, awesome coffee. This parking lot was full when we got here. It's now empty. So I'm now a lone bike in the middle of the wilderness parking lot, which I think is kind of funny. So yeah, about to head down the road, check out the lighthouse with microphone underwater. You hear the whales, so hopefully we hear whales.
At Sheringham Point Lighthouse, a short and pretty walk from the parking lot to the lighthouse. The old light is on display, as well as some information. Now to go down to the light. I love the color of the ocean and how clear it is.
Okay, crazy windy. There's a bit of swell action out there. Oh, it could be a rock. Okay, it's in the same spot. Yes, it's the swell over the rock. All right. The whale monitoring microphone.
And we went to Coombs for many years and never made it.
Always drove past and all going.
The underwater microphone.
You're supposed to hear the whales.
Unfortunately, no whales this time. Having some girl time, visiting in a hot tub with this amazing view. Very cool to have a hot tub in the woods. On to the next morning and our next adventure.
We camped here last night at Englishman River Falls. We actually camped in overflow, not in the campground, so that was actually even nicer because we had the place to ourselves. And the falls first thing in the morning, Englishman River on Vancouver Island.
enjoying our cherries for breakfast as we walk along the trail along the river, joking that Sasquatch was here playing. Really peaceful and beautiful to walk the trail early in the morning. This looks like a great swimming hole a little later when it warms up. One of the many falls along the trail. I love the moss on the rocks and the wild forest. A map of the park at one of the trailheads. Notice the position of the goat above the people.
At Coombs on Vancouver Island. He's like, hey, what do you want? No food for me, fine.
I have come to Coombs a couple of times on this trip. The goats crack me up. Barb becoming one with a fish. And I found a lion. Having fun goofing off. Back in Victoria, I spot a bald eagle.
The eagle was up on his tree, which is up there. So almost a little perfect perch for the birds up there. And he or she, I don't know, comes and fishes and then takes off, I guess, if he doesn't see anything for a while, takes off to the next bay. So I did get a picture of him, which I'll post as well, up on this perch before he took off, before I got down here. As I came down here, he flew off over the rock to the next bay. So just missed him.
There are many beaches like this on Vancouver Island. Always fun to explore the tidal pools. Nice to see people enjoying the water kayaking.
I am in Victoria, British Columbia at a beach, one of the many public beaches around the city, and a seal had popped up behind me. He was probably around here now. A little bit far away to see on the camera, but I could see him perfectly. And yeah, just came to check me out, said, hey, what are you doing out there? And went away. So yeah, beautiful, enjoying the waves. It's around dinner time. I didn't look to see when high tide is right now, but usually it's around dinner time, maybe in an hour or so, or maybe now. And this is often the time the eagles come hunting for their dinner. So if we're lucky, I'll see an eagle, and I already saw the seals, so that's cool.
I come to the beach whenever I have time. Always relaxing and beautiful. I am surprised I'm often here alone.
There is a seal just to the left of the rock. He's behind the rock. He's going kind of in circles. He's now behind the rock. Oh, no, I can barely see his head. Keeps popping up and going back down, but the same direction. Hasn't stayed up. Came up, checked us out. Who's on my beach? He stayed kind of out there. Yeah, beautiful. Look how clear that water is. A little chilly. On Vancouver Island.
I've been having problems with my GoPro this entire trip. I'm in the process of exchanging it for the third time. Hopefully I will have it back soon and be on the road. Hit like, subscribe, share, and add a comment below. Click the notifications bell and you'll be notified for my next videos as I continue to explore. I have been everywhere in this video, in previous videos, with the GoPro working. Thanks for watching. Follow me on social media.